Hi, so I got really spoiled with Happy Meal this week. This is a package from Margreth. She's 7Plaza on Instagram, and I'm very excited to see what's in here. Oh my goodness! Wow! Look at that! Okay, this is a personal card, so I'm gonna read that off camera. Okay, where am I going to start? This is all so beautiful! Love this floral. That's so nice. And look at these stamps. Did you find them at the thrift shop? I wonder. They look like vintage school stamps. Let me just see if I can... Yes, look at that. That's so nice. Those are very cool. Thank you. Let's see. Oh, a lovely butterfly. What is this? These are matchboxes. Are they? Wait, hold on. This is amazing. I actually don't have anything like this. They are so nice. Very cute. And these are quite old, I'm assuming, in the days that we actually still used matches. I do actually, because I really like them, but oh, I love this. Look at that. That is so nice. Focus. Yay! That is beautiful. I really like it. Thank you. That is such an original thing to send. I don't have any of those. This looks very beautiful. Okay, so it says scrap sampler. That is very nice. Look at this. Oh, that's her own design. Oh, cute. That is so cute. Always journey, kind. That is very nice. Really like that. And then, well, this is a very good idea actually to use that. Let me just unclip that. So these are all kinds of scrap papers, which are very nice. That's so cute. Oh, I love that. And I love this. That is very, very cute. Thank you. I love having scraps like that, ready-made. You can use them very easily. Beautiful. I love it. Oh, look at that. Oh, in the back. Very cute. Beautiful. Thank you. All right. Oh, this is lovely. Very nice. All right. This looks very nice as well. Oh, wow. Look at this. This reminds me of Dummy's box. Do you remember those candy things? Dummy's? Or other boxes? No, they weren't necessarily exactly like this, but oh, look at this. There's so many things in here. A dragonfly. Oh, that's gorgeous. And I love this one as well. Cute. Oh, and this one. Look at that. That is extremely cute. That's very nice. All those kind of small trinkets. Oh, I love this one. Look at this. I'm pretty sure Aloha is going to be very excited about this one as well, because she recently got a fountain pen like that. And the sewing machine. Oh, these are very, very nice. Crown. That's very cute. Oh, look. Oh, look. Acorns. Let me just show you close. I love this. I don't have many different kinds. Very cute. And I really like the packaging as well, that box. It's very cute. Okay, next. Maybe I should, yeah. Oh, I absolutely love this ribbon. Oh, cute. I love that. Did you stamp this yourself? I mean, it looks handmade. Did you? Let me know. It's beautiful. I really like it. Oh, I love this! You don't even know this, but I love this. This is a game. It's the Advertisement Game is what you would translate this as. We used to have a different version of this, actually. You have these 3 different colors, of course, and they are different parts of an advertisement. And you can just mix them, and it's going to be a very weird advertisement because they've just picked the specific parts. So actually you start with, yeah, this one. That's not expensive. An old piano for 3 afternoons a week. Which actually makes sense, but sometimes you have this combination that's so weird that's not even possible, and it's just, I don't know. I remember enjoying that game so much, and I actually still see them in the thrift shops, and I have bought several ones, but it's so nice. You didn't know that, but that's such a coincidence. That's so nice. Oh, fabrics. Oh, these are amazing. Well, first of all, this is gorgeous. Beautiful. And then this. Oh, well, you know, I love anything floral. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Love those colors. And this is cute. Oh, it's quite big. Oh, this is probably quilting fabric. Is that right? That's very cute. Look at those birds. I love it. And another gorgeous floral fabric. Very nice and thick. Beautiful. Let's see. Huh. Okay, so these are, I'm not sure if that's the correct translation in English, flight cards? Because her husband has done pilot training? Wow, I have never seen these. That's very, very interesting. Look at that. I actually thought it was a sewing pattern. But no. That is so cool. Thank you so much. I have never seen this. Wow, it's never ending. There's so much gorgeous stuff. Let's see. Oh, these are very nice. Are they stickers or? Look at those. I love those. Like washi stickers, type stickers. Very, very nice. Wow. You are spoiling me. Oh, look at those. Very cute. Oh, they're tickets. Oh, beautiful. So lovely. Tags. Very cute. Right. Oh, cute. Are these Tim Holtz things? I mean, I've seen them on Instagram, but I'm not sure. Oh no, it's falling out. No, hold on. Whoops. Okay, let's put these back. I don't know how they were in here, but beautiful. Wow, so much wonderful stuff in here. Oh, I love this. And thank you for putting 2 in here so I can actually use them. Lovely. Look at those botanical images. Very nice. Let's see. Could use these as bookmarks. Are they bookmarks? Maybe they are. This is actually Jane Austen's handwriting. Oh, and this beautiful collaged card. Very nice. Beauty. Beautiful. Let's see. Oh, a postcard. Oh, look at this. That is a vintage postcard. Very cute. And another one? Wait. Wow. What a beautiful lady. This is very cute, by the way. Oh, maybe. Yeah, so these cards were in here. They fell out. Yes. Oh, yes. Great. And some washi. Really nice. Oh, it's on sticker paper, and you can cut them out yourself. That is such a good idea. Those are so cute. Let's see. These are papers as well, pattern paper. She says, I hope you don't have these yet. I'm thinking I don't. Oh, I love this. I love pine cones and birds. Nope, don't have this. I don't recognize any of these, which is wonderful. Which is more difficult when you're in the same country. But no, these are very nice. I love them. No, I don't recognize any of them. So much stuff to use. This is so wonderful. This is actually a print of a collage that she did. That is such a good idea. So you can actually use this. You don't even have to do anything to this, to be honest. You can just use this as a background or to make an envelope or anything really. That is so cool. And another one. Oh, wow. Wow. That is absolutely beautiful and such a good idea to do that. This is from an old book with Rembrandt's drawings. Oh, look at this. Is this music paper? Yes. This is very old. That is beautiful. Look at this. That's really amazing. And the price. Amsterdam. Wow. This is so beautiful. I mean, I would use this cover as decoration on its own. Might be very nice to frame this, actually. Let's just put it this way. It's easier to see. Thank you so much for all of this. Let me just put some of them back so we have some nice things to look at. Thank you so very much for your generous happy mail. And I'm gonna have to work on sending you something in return. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching along as I unpacked all of this gorgeousness. See you in the next video. Bye!